So let's learn and enjoy mathematics. Our lesson is about solve real-life problems involving law of cosines. Our objectives: by the end of the lesson, students will be able to use the law of cosines to solve real-life problems involving triangles. Our formula for the law of cosine, that is c squared, is equal to a squared plus b squared minus 2ab cosine c. So kung nawawala yung b or nawawala yung c, mag-a-adjust yung formula. So meron tayong tatlong formula for the law of cosines. So in case na na-derive natin yung formula, if the value for the angle is unknown, cosine c is equal to a squared plus b squared minus c squared all over 2ab. So let us see in the problem number 1. Two ducks are located 120 meters and 150 meters from a lighthouse. The angle between the ducks as seen from the lighthouse is 55 degrees. Find the distance between the ducks. So let us see. Let us visualize kung ano yung magiging itsura nun. So from the lighthouse, we have the dock A that is 120 meters, while in the dock B to the lighthouse, that is 150 meters. That angle formed is 55 degrees. So what could be the formula to be able to identify the value for the dock A to the dock B? So to be able to identify that the side angle side, so the formula is the law of cosine. So the value for C is unknown. So the formula, that is C squared, is equal to A squared plus B squared minus 2AB cosine C. We need to replace the value of AB to the given equation. So our A, so small a, that is 150 meters. Small b, that is 120 meters, minus 2 times 150 times 120 cosine the value for the angle, that is 55 degree. So, ganito yung mangyayari sa value natin. So, 150 degrees, 150 square plus 120 square minus 2 times 150 times 120 cosine 55 degrees. Next, i-multiply na natin to by itself. So that becomes 150 times 150 is 22,500. 120 times 120 is 14,400. 2 times 150 times 120, that is negative 36,000. And then the cosine 55 degrees, that is 4 decimal places, 0.5736. Next, we need to add. So 22,500 plus 14,400, that becomes 36,900. And then negative 36,000 times 0.5736, the answer is 20,649.6. Let us subtract 36,900 minus 20,649.6. The answer for c squared is equal to 16,250 minus 40. Get the square root. The square root of 16,250.40. So the square root for that, c, is equal to 127.48. Our unit, that is meter. So from dock A to dock B, that is 127.48 meters. Next problem. A surveyor measures two sides of a triangular field as 80 meters and 100 meters. The included angle is 70 degrees. Find the third side. So let us visualize. So i-visualize natin yan, the value for this one, that is 80 meters. While for that one is 100 meters. That angle is equal to 70 degrees. In the given value, angle A, so A, B, C. So angle C, that is 70 degrees. Small a, or the side A, that is 100 meters. And then the side B is 80 meters. Let us find the value for the smaller c, or the side. So the formula, c squared is equal to a squared plus b squared minus 2ab cosine c. So let us replace all the value to the given formula. So that becomes a, that is 100 meters, so 100 square, plus b, that is 80 meters, so 80 square, minus 2 times 100 times 80 cosine 70 degrees, our angle, that is 70 degrees. So using the calculator, 100 times 100 is 10,000. 80 times 80, that is 6,400. 2 times 100 times 80, that is 16,000. If we use the calculator for cosine 70 degrees, 4 decimal places, that is 0.3420. And then 10,000 plus 6,400, that becomes c squared, is equal to 16,400 minus 16,000 times 0.3420, that is 5,472. So subtract 16,400 minus 5,472. So c squared is equal to 10,928. If we get the square root on both sides, c, or the side c, is equal to 104.54. Our unit is meter. So this value, that is 104.54 meters. Third problem, two roof beams are 6 meters and 8 meters long and meet an angle of 50 degrees. Find the distance between the ends of the beams. So let us visualize based on the figure. So the beam that is 6 meters and then 8 meters. And that angle formed, that is 50 degrees. So let us find this one. So the given, so the formula to be used, that is side angle side, that is c squared, is equal to a squared plus b squared minus 2ab cosine c. So let us replace all the value to the given formula to be able to identify what could be the value of this one. So let us find that this is angle A, angle B, and then angle C. Smaller a, or the side A, that is 6 meter. Side B, that is 8 meters. And the form angle C, that is 50 degrees. So let us replace all the value to the given formula. So that becomes 6 square plus 8 square minus 2 times A, that is 6, times B, that is 8, and then cosine 50 degrees. And then C squared is equal to 6 times 6, that is 36. 8 times 8, 64. Negative 2 times 6 times 8, that is negative 96. And then the cosine 50 degrees, if we use the calculator, that is 4 decimal places, that is 0.6428. And then let us add 36 plus 64, that is 100. And then negative 96 times 0.6428, that is 61.71. So 100 minus 61.71, that becomes c squared, is equal to square root of 38.29. Let us write the square root on both sides. So the side c is equal to square root of 38.29, that is 6.19 meters. So this one, that is 6.19 meters.
Enjoy learning mathematics. I'm Teresa Tubal. Thank you so much.